Watching this, it's a sign for you to take off that plastic liner, because this was horrendous. To anyone who's looking to start buying pickup trucks, or maybe you just bought your first truck, you're about to start modding it, this is your reminder: take off that plastic liner. I just took the plastic liner off the Dodge, and I was pretty scared to see what the rest of the bed looks like, considering the fact that it's a 2002, so that bed liner's been on for more than likely 23 years. It's pretty nasty, but we're gonna sweep everything up. I want to see if there's any rust, if it's deep or not. I got most of the bed cleaned up. The rest of it I can just pressure wash it out. This is all that came from that, man. All that like dirt, mud, whatever you want to call it, just because water was trapped in there. Water wasn't able to escape because I noticed that there's no drain holes. I don't know if it's common on trucks, but this Chevy right here, we have a drain hole. You see it right there? The little drain hole helps a lot. Right here, I'm not seeing any drain holes, so I might have to just drill one in. Yeah, I might have to drill one in, but everything looks good. There's no rust. I got scared because right here there was like this right here just kicked on dirt, and I thought it was rust, so I got pissed. But now it looks like everything's fine. There's just a lot of dirt, a lot of mud from the past, 23 years, I said. I had some clients come through right now, so I was cutting their hair, but basically what I'm doing is I just put a simple green and then some cheap ass car wash thing that I had laying around, and I'm rinsing this off because I'm gonna sell it, and I don't want to sell no dirty. Have a tripod for you guys, and after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing and just clean up this bed, because I do not want to ride around in this dirty ass bed. Also, I was talking about some drain holes that bed that truck bed had that this one didn't, and I went ahead and I drilled some in, just small ones, and then I noticed that there was already like a drain slot right there. It was just covered up with a bunch of dirt and mud, so everything should be smooth. I didn't hit on anything. The gas tank, there was nothing in the way. There was nothing in the way of either side, so we should be fine right there. I'm gonna flip this bed liner around, and then I'm gonna clean it from the other side, and I'm gonna give it one last rinse on this side, and then we're just gonna let it air dry. Today's Thursday. We should be selling it on Saturday, maybe Sunday, so hopefully it's gone by this weekend though. Hopefully my parents don't think I'm throwing this away because I set it up like just right there next to the trash cans, but makes the most sense. That way it doesn't fly away or anything. It's a pretty sunny day, so it should dry up probably by overnight. Make sure everything's dry before I sell it to the guy and before he actually mounts it to his truck. That could cause some serious issues. Now it's just time to address this bad boy over here. I don't know where I might put you on the Chevy truck bed. Basically same steps. I'm just gonna rinse it off, throw on some simple green, rinse that off, throw on some car wash wax, and then rinse that off. Doing all this is making me realize how horrible that rake on the ram is, bro. Like, the bed is so high up, it's not even funny. I cannot wait till I fucking install a flip kit on the axle because it's gonna look a lot better, bro. I promise you that. I threw on some gloves just so that I could actually grab that dirt and just throw it on the ground and just wash that dirt away, you know what I mean? This is my first time using these 7mm gloves too. They look pretty cool. With this little thing, I don't even know what it is. It looks like it could be something for the truck. It looks like it's just like an arm for like a desk or something. But I was able to actually punch out like the little string slot, make it bigger, so that helped out a shit ton because now there's like no dirt in the bed. There's no mud in the bed, nothing like that. We're gonna hit it with the, you know, purple power car wash thing and then just make it look all nice. I put way too much. Look at that, guys. The fucking truck bed looks really, really, really nice now. If you're watching this, it's a sign for you to take off that plastic liner because this was horrendous. I could have gone even better, really gone for those nooks and crannies, you know, where you still see a little bit of dirt, but honestly, it's fine. Could have pulled out the pressure washer. All I wanted to do was give it a quick little rinse, make sure there was no rust, because at first I did think there was rust, but after pulling off the bed, cleaning everything is perfect. Without that plastic liner too, it really brings out the size of this bed, because this bed is like either 6'2" or 6'4". That bed over there is 6.5 feet, maybe 6 feet 7 inches. So this bed being slightly smaller makes a huge difference. I just give the rest of the body a little pass with the water. I just have to clean up this tailgate right here. Then I gotta clean up the rest of the mud that was left there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. We're here in the 3rd gen. Hopefully gonna have some more 3rd gen content coming soon. Hopefully have a little bit less OBS content just because there's so little I have to do to that truck. Look at that nice clean shot of both of my trucks, man. Both of them look so nice. Next video, I'll do kind of the same video I did with the OBS. The first one, just what I've done to it, because honestly I haven't done much, and what I plan on doing to it, because I have a lot of plans for this truck, and I have so little plans left for the Chevy, man, but everything works good on it. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.